Hello friends and clients, I'm OK Hogan here in Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. And today's topic is maximizing ROI. That's return on investment on your investment property. If you're an investor with rental property and just maybe have the same tenants for a long time, I wanted to share a few things that you should look out for. You stick around and I'll fill you in. We always want to maximize your ROI when you have a rental property, and we're seeing many investors that are just not charging market rate for rent. And this observation applies to commercial real estate, long-term residential rental, or even vacation rental. A classic case is an investor who bought a rental property 15 years ago and is charging, say, $2,000 a month in rent. Have great tenants, they pay on time. The only problem is when that rental property owner is ready to sell and he discovers that his tenant, they just can't pay the current going rate. They can't leave either. Maybe because they work in the area, maybe they have kids at school, whatever the reason. But in any event, the market rate has gone up to, say, $3,000 a month, and that tenant can't afford to pay market rate, and the tenant can't find a suitable new place at the old $2,000 original rate. If you've dealt with investment properties, then you know that it's expensive, it's time consuming, and it requires hiring an attorney to get rid of a tenant. Many times during this period, they're not even paying rent. So keep this in mind if you're an investment property owner. Blue Water Real Estate is Carteret County's largest rental and sales company. And if you have any questions about investment real estate here on the Crystal Coast, please feel free to give me a call or email me. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.